Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's basic mid-game tactics video tutorial. This is based on the free ebook that's available on the World Xiangqi Federation website, which I heard is undergoing a revamp. Okay, so without further ado, let us begin the initial analysis. In this situation, black would be the first to move. Material-wise, red would have 2 chariots, 1 cannon, 1 horse, a full guard, 4 pawns. Black would have similar material, 2 cannons, 2 chariots, a full guard, 3 pawns. But red had, in terms of positioning, black had already concentrated material and was prepared to attack this flank, which is guarded only by this cannon. So black will be the first to move in this example, and we will now discuss how black could leverage the situation to gain a considerable lead in the game. Now, the first thing to do will be to play c2 plus 1 to attack the chariot. Now, the main idea is to concentrate material over here to attack, so this cannon would be the main target, but to begin his attack, black would play c2 plus 1, forcing the chariot away. Black would continue with a offer or sacrifice his cannon with c5 equals to 2. Now this will put black in a dilemma. There were 2 variations that were discussed. The first would be c8 equals to 6, and the next variation would be the one whereby red would accept the sacrifice. So in the first variation, black would try to protect, keep his hopes alive by playing c8 equals to 6 to defend against this chariot. However, after making use or leveraging the situation, this cannon will now gain an open line to attack the bottom rank, forcing the cannon back, and red would capture the elephant, threatening to move away for a smarted cannon checkmate. The king will be forced to move out, and red would deliver a check with r3 minus 1. The only viable move for red would be to play k4 plus 1, after which black would capture the cannon for free. The advisor cannot capture the chariot, or this would be a check. So as can be seen, just after a few plies, by making use or reading the situation correctly, black had managed to gain a major piece, and this would be a winning position for black. Now in the second variation, c8 plus 5 was analyzed, whereby red accepted black's offer. Of course, black would attack in the same manner, capturing, forcing the king out, and this time red will retreat his chariot r3 minus 2 for a discovered check and capture the horse in this manner. Black would gain back lost material, and he would be prepared to attack with he'll be prepared to continue attacking with his chariots and cannon, and this basically is also a winning position for black. So a short recap. How could black leverage the situation? He starts with c2 plus 1 to attack the chariot, forcing the chariot away, and then offering his other cannon as a sacrifice. Variation A, c8 equals to 6, will result in the cannon being captured. In variation B, c8 plus 5, red accepts the material but ends up losing his horse, and again red would not have stopped black's attack, and red will still be in deep trouble. So I hope you've liked this very short, sweet example. Things can change very quickly in a jiffy in Xiangqi. So if you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.